Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Firebase NestJS. Today we are going to learn about how to subscribe or unsubscribe devices from the Firebase Cloud messaging topic using NestJS and the Firebase admin SDK. In the last video we have discussed how to subscribe to the devices. Now we are going to learn how to unsubscribe the devices from the Firebase Cloud messaging, right? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the extension of my last video. So only I need to add the two functions, that is unsubscribe to a single device, unsubscribe to the multiple devices. Okay. And then we have to make the same function in the controller also, unsubscribe to the single device, unsubscribe to the multiple devices. Okay. Let's have a look for that one. I have already created that one. So let's take a demo first. Okay. So here we have the token, right? So let's go and just check the postman. So here you can see that we have a subscribe. So first of all, I'm going to subscribe this token with testing. Let's suppose testing 2, I'm going to subscribe that one. Okay, first subscribe. Okay, subscribe, then I'm going to send the notifications with this one, subscribe. Okay, so this is testing 2, right, with the topic. Okay, so when I try to send the notification, it receive show breaking news. Okay, fine. Breaking news, stay tuned for the more updates, right? So when I do the unsubscribe part, so this is unsubscribe, this is a token for that one, this is the token, you can see this token I'm using, just F12, and let's just copy this one. Already I have this token, right? So here we go with this one, just paste it. So this is the token D7, right? Okay, so let's close it. Just don't need that one. Okay, so we let's move to the postman, and this is for that one. Let's unsubscribe this testing 2. Okay, when I unsubscribe this, unsubscribe from the topic message, now I'm going to send the notification to that one topic, that is testing 2. It will not come. Okay, so this is unsubscribe that one. Okay, let's dive into the code level how we have achieved that one. Okay, so I will show you the full-fledged code for the nestjs part. So here we go with that one. Okay, so here we go with this one. This is our notification controller. Two functions we have added over here, that is subscribe is already in the previous lecture I have delivered. Okay, and then we have a subscribe multiple which is already done. Let's move to the unsubscribe part, topic and the token and the topic we have to send, and this is unsubscribe from the topic and return the message respectively. Okay, then unsubscribe to the multiple devices from the topic, so you have to pass the multiple tokens and the topic. Okay, so it will unsubscribe to the multiple devices. Let's dive into the service file. So this is our service file where we have written the things. Okay, so here we have unsubscribe to the multiple topic, right? So here we scroll down and unsubscribe to the multiple topic tokens and the topic we have to send. Okay, right, this is done. Now unsubscribe from topic for the single device topic. So unsubscribe from the topic token and the topic we required, and just log this successfully unsubscribe from the topic or console that part, and if something goes wrong it will go to the cache block. Okay, so this is done. So this is how you are able to do the subscribe unsubscribe the topic for the multiple devices, for the single devices, or how to send the notifications we have already discussed. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. In the next video, what we are trying to learn, this is done. The last videos we have done the how to send the push notifications using single devices, multiple devices, how to subscribe unsubscribe to the device token using the topic, right? Next video is all about the, let me check which video we have going to learn in the next one, that is integrating the Firebase authentication with the NestJS. Okay, we are going to learn in the next video. Or we can do the call to action. So whenever we send the notification, when you click on the notification, it will redirect to something, some other page. We will do that part, okay, in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.